Alright YouTube, so I'm finna go straight to the exhaust shop. Ain't no talking, ain't none of that, ain't no bullshit, ain't no jerking, ain't no sucking, ain't no fucking, ain't no...
What the hell?
God dang it, dog. Ugly ass.
Do me a favor, shut the fuck up.
Day 2.
Hey man, what's good YouTube? So it's not the same day as the last clip. I did this all off camera. I just literally picked it up from the exhaust shop just now. I haven't even started it yet, bro. Like, you see the cats right here. Nice. Oh, I think I'm nervous as shit. I'm nervous as shit. Hold on, I'm finna stand y'all niggas up so y'all can hear it, so yeah. What the fuck? Oh my god, bro, this bitch is so much louder when it start up, bro. I smell that shit. Bro, I smell that shit.
Do me a favor.
Nigga, I smell that shit. That shit smell good as fuck.
Shut the fuck up.
That weekend. All this is first reaction. I literally have not heard this shit. I'm nervous as shit. I wonder how louder this bitch is now. Nigga, 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 nigga. Oh my god. So much more better, bro.
I don't like it. Huh? I don't like it.
What did you just say? Why?
Yo, scoot up, it's smoking.
Oh my god! Oh my god, this shit fart. Is this bitch screaming? Huh? This bitch screaming? A little bit.
For it, bitch.
Bro, I've been over here enjoying this shit, bro. This shit is so fucking loud, bro. And these are resonating. I did. That bitch, it's all on camera.
That was a double pop?
That bitch on camera. Nice. This is so loud. Oh, let me tell you, I'm in a school zone.
Get out the car, spread your butt cheeks, and put your teeth on the curb.
Oh my fucking god, this is what I fucking wanted. This is what I fucking wanted. Just had to put 50 bones in my shit, nigga. My pocket's hurting. You broke nigga alert. Probably can't even see that, bruh. Bruh. But what? You gotta think you lose music loud as a bitch. But watch this. You think this shit gonna be loud, gang?
I think it's gonna be cool.
Cool.
I think it's gonna be cool. That's way fucking better.
Way fucking better.
That's way fucking
way
better.
fucking better. Hell no! Bring that ass back here, nigga! Go to the fuck on! I've been running this on!
Damn! This shit sound good as fuck, bro.
This SRTG got me fucked up. Pay return so I get on his ass.
That's a cop, nigga.
Run it, bro.
You know this nigga?
No. I don't know this nigga. You don't want a race, gang? You don't want a race, gang?
That motherfucker don't want it.
Cap.
You crazy?
That little ass Infinity don't want it.
You know what this ducks is?
That bitch ain't shit.
Do me a favor.
Turn.
I got a move to make, buddy.
Shut the fuck up.
Blow that little bitch out the water, buddy.
You crazy?
Go try one of these RTs or something.
Bro, I ran this nigga yesterday.
It's an SRT, not an RT.
I run SRTs. You know, what the fuck did I say? Wait, say that again.
We clean your pipes, not your wallet.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
And this little kids handling it?
And this little
What
kid's
the
head.
fuck? Talk on.
Oh my god.
Taj. You on the bus? Damn! Shut up!
Alright, now go to the back.
And my fit, thank God. My fit. Look like my shit look bogus as hell. I ain't gonna lie. I just put some shit on.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh shit. Here you come back. 1, 2, 3, chill out.
Alright, this is gonna be the last of what y'all big ass. Oh shit.
Damn!
Almost crashed this bitch.
Big stuff, so I ain't gonna fit on roof. Pretty in the face, but she's super thick. I'm just playing with my dick.
Buy more trees now, so I want that shit to bounce off the walls. Like I'm finna bounce on your dick. I'm all over the road.
Man, this
I got so much, bro. On God, if you know what's going on this weekend at the event, it's gonna be crazy.
shit, wait, what? It's on Friday?
Saturday. It's gonna be a whole bunch of illegal shit, bro. I'm doing a whole bunch of illegal shit. I'm going on police chasing. I'm lying.
Cap.
I'm lying.
Cap.
I'm lying.
Cap.
All right, one more pause for y'all boys, and then I'm ending this video. I'll suck your dick later.
Man. No! Pause!
There's no way out of this.
What the fuck?
Oh my God. Hold on, one more down, see what we got. I'm getting this last clip for y'all. Oh my God!